Now I'm going to share with you guys SD 2022 roadmap, how different big companies or plants are having overview of upcoming plant shutdowns. You can see it is started from October 2020, and now we will focus on January 2022 shutdown. So it's also the document I will share with you guys how it will evolve as a shutdown. In October 2020, shutdown draft list, operation maintenance jobs list, preparation items final, and after a few like next month November 20, planned SD job list finalization. December 20, job list challenging session. You have to conduct brainstorming sessions. WBS and SD list pair for long lead items. You have to fulfill procurement items. We are going to study in this session as well. Budget finalization. Okay, long lead spare purchasing, PR creation, budget approval, and IO released by. This is the milestone dates. Actually, these are the things you have to manage, you have to put before your pre-shutdown kind of things, and how it is going to compile in January 2022. So this is actually the roadmap for you guys to understand how it's evolving, how one shutdown built up or planned 2 years before, to see that how your plant will be running. And again I'll share the next very important flow chart. You can see over here, I will just have a like this way. You can see how it looks like. See, it looks like this way. I'll share with you the link as well. This is Saudi Aramco plant. Okay, so I'm going to share with you guys now the focused one. Like this way, you can have a big idea, big view. Like this way, you can see here there are different kind of departments given over here, which are the core part of any plant or any factory or any production plant, refinery. There is process department, inspection department, reliability department, operations, planning, maintenance, warehouse. And now we have a flow chart like this way. What is given in this flow chart? You can see every department is generating send all planned jobs list to planning section. Every department is sending planned jobs. Create defect notification. Now we are already in the scenario to understand. Before we were actually having an idea that how project scheduling will be going on the basis of contracts. Okay, now in this scenario, this flow chart will help us to understand different departments contribution to develop project scope management. So here we have send all plan jobs, send all plan job list, send all plan job list. Okay, every department have certain responsibilities. Okay, process, inspection, reliability, operations, planning, and maintenance. Now the planning department obtain will get all these WBS and provide, they will collect data from every department, and then they will convert. So here this flow chart will help us to understand that all this data will be collected, and again it was received from planning as in the shape of WBS. Then all the notifications were given by concerning departments, and now it will be again submitted to the planning department. Create all, turn around, shutdown, plan, work order is received, because work order will give you the main scope of your project. Okay, I have already shared in the previous section where we were studying plant shutdown scenarios. So all these things will be in the next stage. And from maintenance department, create defect notification with approved, the same thing, and again it will be returned to this box. And again the next stage, consolidate all notification and work order list. Now you have to filter out data. Okay, you have to make a proper scope management. If there is a revision, if there is repetition, you have to remove that. If there is any missing thing, you have to validate from these concerning departments and consolidate one major scope statement. And the next step, arrange a meeting with all the disciplines for job challenging session. This is very important and challenging sessions. A lot of people come to me and ask me the same question multiple times, sir, how we come to know that this project will carry this WBS? Brother, listen me carefully. Everything is written, everything will be followed, everything is instructed in contract documents. Go through those documents, you will come to know everything. So everything is given over here. Again, there are challenging sessions, there are brainstorming sessions with different all the department representatives to guarantee that this given data is validated. And next stage, after challenging session, approved, agreed notification and work order list to be published with minutes of meeting. Every meeting is carrying valid points which have been given in that meeting from different kind of representatives. So that would be the part of this work order list. Create work order for all approved defect notifications. Now you have to create work orders again. Now there are two ways, one is this and other one is this one. Provide detailed scope, okay, and this also given over here. Review scope, provide with approved notification and job list, okay. So again, adequate scope, I will just make slide this one. You can see adequate scope, check spare availability. Now this is important. If there is one overhauling of any gauge, ball valve, globe valve, any reactor screen, you need how many valves, how many nozzles, how many spare parts, o-rings, whatever needle valves, you should check with your warehouse, okay. So this first, create reservation in work order. Then this one, like this way, create PR for addition stock spare required. Arrange all spares at separate location with respect to work order. It's not like that later on you will mix up, there are two same o-rings, you have to utilize different spare parts and you are counting one time, so it's going to mess up with